Me, I want them, tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. No girl can't see me a start problem. Them a man clown so me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them, tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. Now fight no girl over no man, me no idiot. If me a take your man, me a keep that. Chimney records, Agencia.
It's New Year's Day and I'm on my way to Sandz. Hopefully, okay. I'm about to stop and get some KFC for my breakfast / lunch. I'm about to be drinking all night, so I need like a good stomach so I don't like vomit and get myself sick. I came in like what 5:30 this morning. I got up like at 9. So yeah, the party was like so nice. I danced with like about 100 man, honestly. As one stop, one come on. Oh gosh, she already saw this stuff on WhatsApp, so I think. I don't care. I'm grown, I could dance, okay? But yeah, I enjoyed myself, and my damn knees are, you can see, scarred and bruised, oh God. I'll live. I don't do anything when I'm at home. So when I'm in Jamaica, I have to broke out and get on bad. And I'm about to eat my KFC now. We get hot wings and cola champagne. Yeah. Here's my outfit for Sandz. I have a red bathing suit underneath from Amazon. This cover up from Fashion Nova. Shorts, sandals, and my Gucci glasses. I got this whole Rasta vibes going on, you know? Yeah. About to head to Sandz now. And I got my bottle of pineapple Ciroc, so, you know, a beer things. I'll see you guys at the beach.
You too tired. Yeah, but like every day when she tries to what's on the
I'm drunk, like drunk. Plus you are money. I'm drunk as fuck, guys, like Sandz done 2 blood clot early at 9 o'clock, but we reached too freaking late. I know we are trying to find a damn car. See 2 people over there, so I'm waiting for my cousin over there, so my wallet pissed right there. No, what's that TJ or PP? Guys, we said we go underneath one concrete sitting and my wallet pissed. Not even white out my damn front. Yeah. What?
Or if you see the party when it's done?
Me just a reach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where man
they over there, so.
Over here?
Yeah. You gonna run me over? Alright, go. Come, let's go. Jesus Christ. I'm frost, I'm fucking drunk. And I got one stage show now, Ray. I got break out again.
We're going, man, there.
Then they over there, so last time I checked.
Come, look for him now, man. Check. That's the people. Yeah, I mean, chop.
Look how quick my one just fly up.
No.
We're in traffic.
Wind up the window. Turn on the AC. Wind up the window, them turn on the AC. We're ready. Mountain View we are going.
Mountain View we are going.
You hear that? Braff we are going.
Braff we are braff. What is it? Ush move or sush move? Ush move. I just left my cousin's hotel and I'm in halfway tree about to get some breakfast. I'm going to Island Grill to get some real food. I'm done with KFC, you know. Yeah. I'm at Island Grill now and I got my juice, but I had to bring back the food because I never put my gravy on my rice. Guava pineapple. Tastes so good. Now after this, I'm gonna go back to country now. My aunt has to go back to the land and do certain stuff, and yeah, I don't know what else we're gonna do today. This thing is so good. Very refreshing. Guys, I was so drunk last night at Sandz. I swear, like, I mixed a rock, boom, and Smirnoff together, and that was it. I was done. Yeah. So guys, I got jerk chicken, steamed veg, right plantain, rice and peas with curry gravy on a festival. And I'm very hungry now. So I'm about to eat. I am so full. This is what I left. Oh God. Guys, I'm drinking some goat head soup with my curry, goat, and white rice with roti. So yeah, it tastes good. And you guys know every time when I come to Jamaica, I always try to get curry goat, but it never tastes good. So I heard that this place has the best curry goat, so we'll see about that, you know. This tastes good, yeah. But the one at Boom Boom Digging, it tastes better. It was like more rich, you know. But this, it can't go on. Very refreshing. So your curry goat, white rice, veg, and roti. Just got done eating the goat, curry goat on the roti. It got bad. You know, every time I come to Jamaica and I get curry goat from a restaurant, it never tastes good, but this one tastes really good. The only thing is the white rice did never up to par. It do want to steam a little bit more, probably like 10 more minutes, and it would have been good, you know. But next time I'm gonna try it again and whatever. But it was good. I'm on my way home now, unfortunately. Yeah. I'm at this restaurant, Baita's restaurant, to get my oxtail. This will be the first time I eat from morning, and it's like 4:30 now, and I'm very hungry. So I got oxtail, rice and peas, cabbage with pasta. Yes, I'm craving and I'm hungry. But yeah, this location is very beautiful. The scenery is gorgeous. It looks great. I'm sorry, but it seems like every time when I'm vlogging, I'm eating something. But like, there's really nothing else to do in Jamaica besides eat. Well, with me, because I don't know. This weekend I'm supposed to be going to town again. Probably go to Taboo or something. Tomorrow we're going to the beach, hopefully. So yeah, when my food comes, I'll show it to you guys, and yeah. My pasta, and my rice and peas, and my steamed veg, and my oxtail. My God, this looks so good. The person gone for my drinks. I wonder if I can eat this all off like right now, like. But I'm like very hungry. Like I said, it's gonna be my first time eating from today. I didn't eat no breakfast, no lunch, not 4:30, you know. I'm about to dig in. Like, I want to try some of this pasta first. I wonder if it's hot or cold. Oh, it's cool. It tastes nice. Sharp piece of oxtail. You know, and rice. I love oxtail, you know, and curry goat. Bad. Jesus. I'm sorry, guys. I'm eating this in front of you guys. Like, I just want you guys to get my reaction. Tastes good, yo. I'm gonna stop cursing. I don't think I want anything to eat after this. This is like my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is good. Very good. Nice.
Good production.